Hi there, I'm Prachi Priyam. I am in General Management Program in XLRI Delhi. It's fabulous. It's more of a people connect, making a lot of strong connections and also learning at the same time. So yeah, I could club it learning and connecting with a lot of folks over there who are now friends. It's an overall experience, I would say. You are enhancing yourself, your skills. You're making a lot of connections, which will help you to climb up the ladder, and you wanna achieve what you want to achieve in your life, right? So it's basically skilling up, and this immersion is helping us a lot in a lot of ways. We are trying to. There's amazing professors who are helping us to upskill, and obviously our colleagues, now friends. I'm not going to say colleagues anymore because they are really friends now. So I would say that they could really join this course. They can live their campus life once again, I would say. That is this thing to us now. And yeah, it's a very good program to upskill yourself and getting into management. If you are not from that background, it will help you to move towards those areas, untapped areas, if you are not into management.